This is how you will receive your Pride Mobility scooter from Wheelchair Giant USA. Let's unpack it and get started building it. So we've removed some of the packaging material to show you what it's like. Let's continue on. So we've almost got it all unpacked. We've got all the small pieces out of the box. Let's get the rest out. So this is all the pieces to your travel scooter from Pride. Let's show you how easy it is to put this scooter together. Okay, so let's assemble a scooter. There is some height adjustments on the seat post here. Slide that in. Put your pin through the hole. Next, your battery. Locks into place. Next, your seat. Next, your armrest. There's some adjustability holes here. Slide those in. Tighten it up with the knob. Other side. For extra safety on the backrest, or the armrest, there is 2 safety pins. Put those in. Pull the back up. Ready to go. Let's show you a few things about your scooter. You have a front wheel lock here to keep the wheel straight. Turn that so now your handlebars can turn. Next, let's show you how to operate it. Key on, forward, backwards, horn. This is your speed control. Turn it up. Now, backwards fast, forward fast. Very, very simple to operate.